Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to other vlog. So today's plan is that we are going to visit a famous ISKCON temple in Mayapur. So this is the reason why we came to Mayapur, because this ISKCON temple is the headquarters of Krishna's organization or Hare Krishna movement. So the reason why I'm here is that I just want to fly a drone here and get the beautiful shot of this building. The moment I saw this image in the Google, I wanted to shoot this from the drone angle. In the morning I flight it once. In the evening we are going to do it one more time if things go correct. I'm planning to get a very beautiful sunset video over here. By the way guys, we have reached this place at 3 o'clock. In the midnight. The road is very bad. It's really very bad. For just 20 kilometers it took us like 1.5 hours of travel, and in the night we had a very big problem for the stay because no one was opening the doors. So we parked our car here in an ashram and we slept in the car. In the morning we paid 300 rupees per head because 3 people are traveling, because one more person joined from the hostel. We paid 300 rupees and got freshened up in the hostel or the room. So now we are going to inside and exploring the place here. So guys, after the exploring I'll catch you again. So guys, now we are on the route to Shantiniketan. So now you see how our situation is. It's full foggy. I cannot see what's on the road. I can barely see the road. I'm just going in 5 kilometers per hour. It has been 5 to 10 minutes that I'm doing this. This is crazy, guys. It's full of fog, whatever the white thing you are saying. This is like next level stuff. Yes, now we are crossing the bridge on a boat. So now I parked my car on a boat. So you don't understand how lucky we are to find this transportation now. Here in Kolkata, so there is so much of problem with transportation and roads. They are very confusing, guys. So somehow in the night we figured out this boat journey. So this is crazy. As you can see, there are 2 lorries and one more car sharing the boat with us.